Victoria Camayo, Special Intention Jeff Gata, Jenny Maria, Francis Ray, Enrique Ulas, Chelsea Ferreras, Nestor and Annette Ulas, Albert Foronda and family, Cecil Tura, Living family, in honor of Apostles and Felipe, Jerry and Leah Razon and family, Lorna Liquio Regala, Conrado and Teresa Manina,